How do you go about finding the best Prince George's County medical malpractice or childbirth injury attorney for your case? Want to know the answer to this question? Stay with me as I share with you this really important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about a question that comes up a lot, and that question is, well, how do I go about finding the best medical malpractice attorney for my case? Well, what I would like to talk with you today about is about some of the tools that you can use, or some of the tools that are available nowadays to help you find the right attorney. Now, we all know that word of mouth is really good, and that is when someone else comes up to you and says, you know what, you need to hire Marcus Boston. He's a good attorney. He did some work for me in the past, and he was really good. He kept me up to date with everything, and the communication was well. That would be word of mouth. But you got to also understand that in today's times, there are other tools that you can use to either corroborate what that person is telling you. And what I would like to talk with you today about is Google, the internet, and why the internet is really helpful nowadays when picking an attorney. The internet can be helpful because the internet can help you connect with that attorney. For example, you're watching me right now on video. You're on the internet and you're watching me talk with you about this issue. And you can see how I am. You can see the type of person I am. This is very helpful when you are trying to pick an attorney, because remember, you are going to be in a long-term relationship with this lawyer and law firm if you're trying to do a medical malpractice or a childbirth injury case. So that's one thing that the internet can help you do. It can help you connect with that attorney. The second thing that the internet can do is it can help you find information from that attorney about your issue. For example, if you go to that attorney's website, are there any books on the issue that you're facing? Is there any educational articles which help explain the process? Again, all of these things are on the internet, and they can help you out when you are trying to find the best medical malpractice attorney for your case. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this? Because I realize that if you're on the internet, obviously if you're watching this and you're on the internet, you have questions. Maybe you are here because your baby has suffered an injury after birth, and now you realize that it's time to talk with someone. Or maybe you're on this video right now, you're watching this video because you've had a bad result after a surgery, and now you're wondering, should you talk with someone about whether it was medical malpractice which caused your injury? Well, if you have these questions, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action, and that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland childbirth injury and medical malpractice questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time to listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.